guys, this is Grace and welcome to process video number 172 entitled Sweet Love. And this is my second layout featuring this month's Flavors of the Month kit from the ScrapRoom Kit Club, specifically featuring the papers and products from the Simple Stories Kissing Booth collection, plus some of the items from the embellishment add-on kit. So I rarely use a single photo on my pages. If you've been watching me, you know that, yeah, I'm a multi-photo gal. But there are certain photos that are just so precious to me that I feel like it needs its own specific page. And this particular photo was one of them. These photo, if you look at the photo, it's not, it's nothing special. But the people that are in there are special to me. And these are photos of my kids along with their cousins. Now, their cousins live in the East Coast and we live in the Rockies. And so you could just imagine how far apart they are. And we don't see each other all the time. I would say maybe like every couple of years or so. But when they do get together, they just have a blast. And so I just wanted to document that. And also because I wanted to emphasize or to show off all of the papers and the patterns from the papers that was chosen for this mini collection, I decided to do kind of a quilt type design on the right side. I was just showing you the measurement that I decided. At first, I think I did like 2-inch blocks, but it was still too small or too big, or I can't remember what it was. It's been a long time since I created, or not a long time, but it's been a while since I've made this page. But after kind of configuring, making sure that there's like the black space in between each block, then I figured that I would need, I think it's 2¼ inch square for each one. Now, another fun thing that I had wanted to do for this particular layout, because of those squares, they lend itself perfectly to house these cute die cuts that were part of the mini collection, or the collection plus the embellishment add-on kit. So I had fun just trying to find little die cuts here and there to place on the squares. Now, I could have put something in each of the square, but really honestly I feel like your design will be stronger if there are some that are highlighted and some that are not. And so I decided to not put any, like not fill up each and every square. That arrow that I was showing you, it was actually pointing to the right instead of to the left, but I wanted to put it on the right edge where the arrow point is pointing to the left, where the eye would lead you straight to the photo. And so I just turned it over, and because there was a heart in the middle, of course the heart will be inverted, and so I just grabbed a circle sticker that said XOXO to cover that inverted heart, so nobody will know that the heart, or the arrow rather, was supposed to go the other way. Now this is a chipboard sticker sheet, and this is part of the embellishment add-on, and I wanted to use that title, or the stickers rather, to create my title, Sweet Love. Now initially I put that on the top, thinking that the title would best work on the bottom, on the top, but I will later change that because I wanted to add some florals to this layout. And so with me moving the title, I was able to add the floral without it with it working better for the overall design of this page. I also grabbed, so there's the pattern papers that were on the top and the bottom of my 4x6 photo, and I needed the photo to stand out a little bit more, so I grabbed some cardstock from my scraps and also my scallop border punch, and I punched out a border, and I'm going to put that on the top and the bottom of the photo to make it stand out. Now I'm pulling my trusty Distress ink mini block, which is the tea dye ink, and then I'm going to ink all of the squares before I adhere it. Now you might notice that there is that bigger gap in between the 4th and the 5th square, uh, line up of the square, and I did that kind of a mistake because I didn't really I just eyeballed it. So my gaps weren't as perfect as I wanted it to be. And once the page was all done, I was thinking, well, maybe I should just put something in there like um, a really thin washi or really thin paper, but at the end I just decided to leave it blank. It gives the eyes somewhere to rest because there are a lot of patterns, a lot of elements to look at this photos, I mean at this page. So I decided to just leave it there. So that is my page. Here I'm just kind of playing around with more of the stickers, trying to see what else I can add to that. I did slow down the video a little bit just to kind of talk a little bit more about this page. Otherwise, it'll be really fast and I wouldn't have enough time to really talk about it. So, but anyways, that's my page. I placed a label sticker on the top of my journaling strip that I added on the top, and I will just stamp the date on there later on. But that's it. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below. Otherwise, I will catch you guys in another video. Bye.